Hello? Hi, this is Rachel. You'd like to place a cake order?
For some, learning to decorate and become a certified cake artist could take years of school to master. But for this Visalia mom, it only took some patience and determination after deciding to make her own cake for her sister-in-law's baby shower.
I contacted a local cake place here in town, and for, I think it was like 15 people, they quoted me $150 for a cake, and I thought, there's no way I'm paying that, it's ridiculous. And so I had looked up a couple things and I decided I'm gonna try to make this myself, and it was a succulent cake, and it took a few days, but I did it and it turned out, and that's kind of what started this.
What started out as a little hobby for Rachel has now turned into her own little business through Instagram called Frosted Fujicakes.
Most people will order through Instagram. I do everything with buttercream. I don't like doing themed cakes. That is not my style. I obviously love sprinkles and I love color.
So what sets her cakes apart from all the others?
I am a perfectionist when it comes to cake making, and I won't accept ones that don't look perfect. So I think being a perfectionist in this area sets me apart.
In her first year of being a cake artist, Rachel now has over 17,000 followers on her Instagram account and works with one of the most well-known baking companies, Wilton Cakes.
In the back of my head, I was thinking, if I could get 1,000 followers by year, that would be amazing. And even that was like, I don't know how I would do that, but it would be amazing. Progression I've come in just under a year has been pretty mind-boggling.
Yes, people are constantly commenting on Rachel's cakes. It comes up almost every single time we meet somebody or talk to them. It's really neat to see other people excited about her cake making abilities.
Whether Fujicakes becomes a full-fledged business is something only time will tell. In the meantime, you can enjoy Rachel's cakes on Instagram as Frosted Fujicakes. In Visalia, Rebecca Madison with Fresno State Focus.